Determine function name from within that function, without using traceback. In Python, without using the traceback module, is there a way to determine a function's name from within that function? Say I have a module foo with a function bar. When executing foo.bar, is there a way for bar to know bar's name? Or better yet, foo.bar's name?
Python doesn't have a feature to access the function or its name within the function itself. It has been proposed but rejected. If you don't want to play with the stack yourself, you should either use bar or bar._name_ depending on context. The given rejection notices this PEP is rejected. It is not clear how it should be implemented or what the precise semantics should be in edge cases, and there aren't enough important use cases given. Response has been lukewarm at best.
Output.
There are few ways to get the same result. Note that the inspect.stack calls are thousands of times slower than the alternatives. Update 08-2021. Original post was written for Python 2.7.
I wanted a very similar thing because I wanted to put the function name in a log string that went in a number of places in my code. Probably not the best way to do that, but here's a way to get the name of the current function.